We can't get around this wall!
Hey, there's light underneath! Can we use a save on underwater?
I think so! It's possible!
I'll go with you!
It's too tight, we're gonna have to pass the tanks through.
All right, I'll pull him out!
When I get to the other side, pass me the airbag.
Gotcha.
Pull him up slowly! There's our man. Help me! It's all right, buddy. We're gonna get you out of there, all right?
All right, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
All right, we're gonna inflate this and lift this pipe off of you, all right?
Hang in there. Clay, inflate the bag.
Okay, going up. 20, 40.
All right, here it comes. Here it comes.
100, 120.